Wait, what if I tell you that frogs are the true masters of metamorphosis? Frogs start their lives as tiny eggs in water. Soon they hatch into tadpoles, looking more like fish than frogs, with gills and tails for swimming. As they grow, the real magic begins. Tadpoles sprout legs and their tails start to shrink. Their gills disappear and lungs develop, allowing them to breathe air. Finally, they transform into adult frogs, ready to hop onto land and explore. This incredible change is called metamorphosis, and it helps frogs adapt to life, both in water and on land. Frogs show us nature's amazing ability to transform. Next time you see a frog, remember the incredible journey it took to become what it is.